In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluid's Light Fluid Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. And to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. And click on this gear at the top left corner. Now you can manage all of those wallpaper options however you want to. And even select presets to pick one of those. After finding the best one, click on it, select Yes, and manage all of its settings. When you finished, click on this X at the top right corner, and then those three lines at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Set as Live Wallpaper, select Yes, click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and click on one of those options. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!